Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ayung ne namar kari, what can you do for your country? Bo jingkylla Myntri Rangbah ai ki pat ka jylla. Da ka basot na ka potri melung so tham ha kasni rakhis ni lat luit ba nyohu pra jingkari hamadan polo. Myntri Rangbah ka jylla konrat ki sangma ula ai kublai ki pat ba ka jylla kasni lat luit basuk ba kemen ya baro ki pat ba ka jylla. Ha ka jingkan mau iet ya ka ri ka bladam nyohu pra snem ki bon ki eki ba ka sorkar ka wanra ya ki jingkylla kom ka suk kasan baro chi snem. Ka sorkar jylla ha kini kisnem kala prut dak ban penbet ye uput usam hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam ka sorkar kala penpai ging ki samla ki balik pulis ya Bangladesh namar ka jing yakin an ha kari Bangladesh yathu ukonrat ki sangma ka sorkar India ling ba ka sorkar jylla kala wanra ka jing penkelaban penthamai ya ki an kum ki criminal justice ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bharatiya Nagaring Suraksha Sanhita and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Katba ki ying bishar ki district court kinyat katkum ki an ka 6 schedule jangkariti sinshar kari. Ha karoi ka par ka jylla kala kiustat ha ka yo ka kot wala da don ki jingele enre ka sorkar ka pet ya kala we yathu ukonrat ki sangma. Ha ki hindu snem balalen karoi ka par ha ki lenti singkin ka umbam umdi ka kot ka kya lakhamba barnya nujor ya ka snem balalen. Karep karyang ka longa badon kambha ya ka jylla namar ka nam klem ki nong rep kumno on im kumta ka sorkar ka labo ya ka yau ka hat ka puli ka phuti ka lakiu bha ya thu Myntri Rangbah uben rap ka sorkar jylla ka don ni ka thong ban pin ka ladur ya ka jylla Meghalaya ha ka kam jngok kai perthei ka jingmen toy jong ki nong rep bat ka yo kam yo jam
and share their aspirations for Meghalaya in 2032. I urge all citizens to participate actively in building a shared vision for growth and well-being. As I make this appeal to you, I am reminded of the great Khasi poet U Sosotham, who asked, "Ayu ngin namar kari? What can you do for your country?" Meghalaya's mission 10 targets to put Meghalaya among the top 10 states in the country in 10 years. It provides 10 critical guarantees to every citizen of the state. These guarantees include road connectivity, water supply, power supply, housing, affordable health care, quality education, social security, internet and telecom services, doorstep service delivery, and community infrastructure like playfields and community halls in even the remotest parts of the state. The 10 guarantees will improve the lives of every citizen in the coming years. Some of these guarantees are already becoming a reality. For instance, we have provided tap water connections to 5.2 lakh households and 80% coverage. We commemorate this solemn occasion and honor our freedom heroes, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We pay homage to the patriots from Meghalaya's soil, U Turot Singh, U Kyang Nangba, and Pathogan Sangma. We also honor the members of the defense, paramilitary, and police forces who have made great sacrifices to protect the rule of law. The overall law and order situation in the state has been peaceful throughout the year. We have made significant progress in the talks of the interstate boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, and we will continue our dialogue to ensure that we are able to resolve the interstate border dispute with Assam. Recently, because of the ongoing situation in Bangladesh, many of our students studying there and citizens who were there had to be evacuated. During that process, the MEA and Government of Meghalaya and other agencies had successfully evacuated the Meghalaya students and workers from Bangladesh. Friends, the state government has also taken steps to modernize the criminal justice system. We have applied the newly promulgated Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Saksha Abhiniyam to the court.